Okay guys, so today we'll be looking at using your PC to add up wallet to your Chrome extension. Most of the training we have been doing is we have been using our phone. So today we'll be using our PC. So before you start, first of all, you will need to understand some few things about your Chrome extension. So, but how do you actually start? Before you can start interacting with crypto using your PC, you must understand that this is where you can track your wallet, like the wallet that you've added to the extension. You can see, if you check here, I have a lot of wallets which I'm using for my crypto stuffs, right? But you need to learn how to add it before you can even start using it. So the first step is for you to go to chrome.google.com. So this interface will take. So right now we are here, so you need to navigate to the extension site, right? So when you open your chrome.this, it will take you here. If you don't have Chrome, make sure you download it. So I have it already. So just navigate to the extension site. Now when you navigate to the extension site, alright, so you have a search bar here where you need to search for whichever wallet. So for today we'll be using Solana. Let's have one of the Solana wallets, Phantom. So you just simply search for the wallet you want to use. So search for Phantom here. Then you can now click on search. So it will bring a different wallet. So this is the Phantom I want to use. Just click on it. Right now, when you click on it, you see this button here showing add to Chrome. Right, so just click on it. Now it will bring this. You click on add to the extension. Give it time for you to load. Right, so you can see it's loading. Now you see the result. Alright, so after successful loading, you notice we now have this pop-up that shows remove from Chrome. That's to show you that it has been added. So how do you find the one that has been added? So you simply navigate to your extension bar, which is right here. Click on it. Then you go down and find Phantom. You can see the Phantom here. So most simply to click on it, right? It will open. So if you have Phantom wallet already in your phone, all you need to do is to, if you have it, just click on I already have a wallet. But if you don't have it, just go ahead and create your wallet, right? And simply click on create new wallet. I don't want to continue with create the seed phrase. You can use your email to create the wallet, or you can use your seed phrase, right? So any of them that you want to use. Let's say we want to use email. Let's use email. So you can decide to use Apple email, or you use your Google email. I select with my Google email. Right. Okay, so this is me using this email for the creation of this wallet, right? Alright, so go ahead and put your password and continue. So you give it approval. So when you're done filling your email, it will ask you to input to create a pin for it. Simply create. So I'm done creating my pin. Click on continue. You confirm the pin again. So when you're done, click on create. So it's loading the wallet right now. And create a password for that. So when you're done, you click on agree, continue. Alright, just hold on, your wallet will be created. So I'm going to change this username. change this username to surplus one. Okay, you can see the username is available. Click on continue, and that's it. Our wallet is created successfully. Yeah, my wallet is ready. Let's get started. That's all. So you can see my Phantom wallet is ready to be used. So anytime you connecting your Development project, like you need to connect to Phantom wallet, your extension wallet will always pop up to this. So guys, if you watching this video for the first time, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And even follow me if you are watching from Facebook, so that you'll be able to get notification whenever we drop this kind of video. Bye for now.